Hello dear experts, in this video I will go step by step to show how you can earn money online while sitting in your home. Simply go to Google and search for HelloExperts. Click this link and it will take you to its homepage. Let's go through what this platform has to offer here. It says become an expert. You can work from anywhere, anytime and earn up to $1,000 per month. HelloExperts is an online academic question answers platform where highly qualified subject experts serve the global community. Now we will have a look how it works. Step 1. Register yourself as an expert. Step 2. Submit the best answer. Step 3. Get paid for every best answer here. So you can see the reviews of experts who are using HelloExperts. You can access HelloExperts on Play Store as well to get yourself registered as an expert. Go to the top right corner of home page and click register. Put your email in and set up a strong password and click join as expert. As you can see, I already have gone through this process and registered myself. So let's go and sign in. Put your email and password here after registering and click sign in. This is the expert dashboard of HelloExperts on top of the page where you can see the top earners of the week, rank first, second and third. You can review your account information in the middle. We have newly posted questions with different prices. Each question has its own price that you receive on providing an answer. You will see the price according to your country. On the right side, you have the section of My Activity that shows your activity. I have posted some answers. As you can see, some are rejected while some are accepted. You get paid for the answers that are accepted. Once you post your answer to a specific question, it goes for a review, then it is either accepted or rejected. In order to access more questions related to your expertise, go to the questions tab available on top left corner here. You can see all the categories of subjects which are business, engineering, humanities, social sciences, history, computer science and many more. Let's click business and you will get all the categories of business for. Now let's go with accounting category as an example. Now here you can see all the questions related to accounting. Select the question that you can easily answer. Let's click the question with price of 150 rupees. On left side you can see all the contents of the question. To accept and answer this question, press log and answer. Now a pop-up will appear regarding terms and conditions as follows. Go through all the terms and conditions, check them all and click the answer now button. No copied or plagiarism is allowed. You can provide your answer in the box provided here. If you want to attach an image or edit your text, you can do it from here as well. On the right side, you can see the time duration of the question, status and price of the question. After completing your answer, click review and submit. If you are unable to answer or you think you can't complete this in the required time, you have the option to skip this question in the first 30 minutes without any penalty. Skipping the question will give you a pop-up here. You can see the list of reasons for skipping the question. Select your reason for skipping the question and click confirm on top right corner. On top right corner, you can access your profile, check the status of your answers, withdraw payment and check your transaction history. That's all about the HelloExperts. Now you have the chance to earn money on HelloExperts.